I am here today standing in front of one of my upcoming listings. Let me give you a sneak peek on what went on behind the scene to get the home ready.
Hi, I'm Emily Vesley of E. Vesley Staging and Design. I'm working today with Heather Lynn on her new listing, 885 Sharon Court in Palo Alto. And I just wanted to show you a couple spots in the house. I've been working on making it beautiful and getting it ready for those prospective buyers to come in and take a look. So first we have the living area here. It's a great space, gets lots of natural light, and then it moves on to the dining room. It's a large home, and so it's great to have this wonderful large area to have the whole family come together and sit down for meals. Moving on to the gorgeous kitchen, we have this beautiful island, as well as a nice little coffee area. Then we have built-in wine fridge and just some great extra storage and counter space over here. So in this space, I decided to go with some blue tones and silver. It's such a beautiful space, and I really love this piece of art, which grabs your attention when you walk into the house, and so that tied in all the colors together. We have the blue pillows, and then we have a nice pattern rug here. And then in the kitchen, I don't like to put a lot of things in because we don't want to detract from the gorgeous finishes in the kitchen. So we just have a few little pieces here and there, like our flowers, and then things to show, like you can have a coffee bar over there. Moving on over to this spot, we have a great breakfast area, perfect for sitting, reading your news in the morning, or just hanging out. As you can see, I'm still kind of in the process of finishing staging, so there are a few gaps, but this is a fun part of the house. It also leads out to the outdoor area and the patio. I think this is one of my favorite parts of the house. I like to stage family rooms with a little bit more color. It's a cozy spot. We have the fireplace, so I brought in yellows to warm it up. There's also a great desk area, so I just put in a bunch of accessories in the shelves here. So over here we have a full guest bathroom. It has beautiful finishes. I didn't have to do too much to it, but we really want to show off that space. Here we are in the master suite. As you can see, it's a very nice sized room. You can fit a king bed in here. I decided to continue with the blue theme up here. I'm going to be hanging some art in a little bit. We have a piece to go here. We'll carry that theme over with this beautiful art here. And then we have a great spot where you could do a table like I've done, or a dresser fits in perfectly as well. And in the master bathroom, we also have a nice space in here. It's beautiful. I'm going to hang some art, do some accessories, a nice orchid, and then there's some beautiful built-in cabinets. I've done a little staging in here already, but I think I'd like to add a few more pieces to really make that pop. Okay. So this is a great little kids room. That's what I'm calling it. It could be used for anyone, but I like to play with color in kids rooms. So you have this fun nook where you can have a bed, or you could have a seating area here. And then I'm going to be hanging some fun artwork. We have lots of color, makes it cheery. And then a nice desk area as well, because as we know, a lot of kids are studying from home right now.
Now you know how important and impactful staging your home is. You might be wondering, where do I even start? Well, watch this video over here for my top 5 home staging tips. That would be a great starting point. I will see you there.